the wait is over. In today's episode, and just in time for Father's Day, RJ will show you the latest addition to his Gifts for Him collection. This is RJ's Homestyle.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, thank you for joining us. How many of you remember last year when I created and shared this clock with you? Stop giving the men in your life those silly cups for their birthday, anniversary, or a Christmas present. Give them something that's truly useful and manly at the same time. That's why I came up with this clock, because I wanted a new clock, and I wanted a table clock, and I wanted something manly. It was also during that time that I had found and introduced to you, hopefully I was introducing it to you first, was a new line of paint, a textured paint from DecoArts called Suede, and it come in a multitude of colors. It was also the winner of the New Product Award for 2020 at Creativation last year. The paint was an inspiration for the clock, as well as the many times that I would see questions in groups regarding people asking, what are you making your husband, your boyfriend, your brother, your significant other for birthdays, anniversaries, whatever, for occasions? They were looking for gift ideas. And most of those were, again, a silly cup, a silly t-shirt, and while those are fun and fine, sometimes giving somebody something useful can be a little bit better. This was also supposed to be the first in the line of what I was calling Gifts for Him, to kind of fill that void, fill that niche of ideas for men. So this became the first, and finally this year I've gotten to the second piece in the collection. And that piece to go with the clock is this matching Catchall tray. This Catchall tray uses pretty much the exact same materials found in the clock. That being a bamboo cutting board from the Dollar Tree, some paint sticks, some brass tacks, and the new product from Dollar Tree, which we found lately, is the faux leather ribbon. All you're simply going to do is measure the width of your cutting board and cut 2 paint sticks to that measurement. You're then going to take the measurement of the length of the cutting board, and you're going to cut 2 sticks of those, but you're going to add 2 inches to the measurement of the length. You're going to add 2 inches to that measurement because you want it to be slightly longer than the board by putting an additional inch on either side, because that's where we're going to put the handles. Now, you're then going to take the paint sticks and you're going to paint them using the textured suede paint from DecoArts. Now, to do this, you must use what's called a cross hatch pattern of painting. You cannot use this like you do chalk, acrylic, and enamel paint by just slathering it on with the paintbrush and brush strokes. As you can see in this video here, it is this technique, as you see how my hand is moving, doing a cross hatch motion. This builds up the texture, and any other way you're not going to be building up the texture that's required for this, because the texture is what you want. Now, once you have the sticks painted, you're then going to attach them to the bamboo board. You're then going to take your faux leather ribbon, and you're just going to start at one end, because we're going to create the handle. You're then just going to glue it, as you see here. You're then going to take 2 brass tacks. You're going to cut the pins off, because the pins will go through the paint stick and poke out the other side. You don't want that. So snip off the pin portion of the thumbtack, because these are just ornamental. You're going to do, as I said, glue 2 of those there. You're then going to bring the ribbon over to the other side, and you're only going to go halfway down. You're going to attach the faux ribbon there. You're going to add 1 thumbtack head. Once that's secure, you're then going to not very tight, but just so it's tight, a little bit taut to the other side, and attach it there. Apply another thumbtack head. and then bring it over to the other side and repeat how you started. You're just going to attach it down, and then you're going to add 2 more thumbtacks. And that has created the handle on your tray. As you can see, these match perfectly, and they make a wonderful set. Whether or not you make the clock, you can make the tray, or if you don't want to make the tray, maybe you just want to make the clock. And I will put a link to the video on how to create the clock in the description box down below and at the end of this video. I think it makes a wonderful set, and I think it's something to give someone that's a little bit more useful, and actually it does add style to their home. The Suede Paint is available pretty much at every craft outlet, every store, online, wherever DecoArt products are sold, and it comes in a variety of colors. And I think once you've tried it, you will come up with some other craft ideas where the feel and look of suede will just make your product that much better, or your craft that much better. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.